Welcome back to Kylie the Hedgehog's video channel. You can see my fish here, but it's not a fish tank tour. We're gonna make a really healthy drink called Raspberrynade. It's close to lemonade. It's super close to lemonade. First, you need some water and sparkling water. Half water, half sparkling water, half raspberries. Yep, those are real raspberries. And some mint. Yeah. Can I put some mint in too?
Sure.
That's real mint. Freshly picked. Well, not from the farm. We have a homemade farm called the Mint Farm. It's just with mint. But it's at our house. And you also need this. It's a really short trip to the Mint Farm because it's in front of our house, the front yard. Like that's where we pick the French mint.
And we put some ice cubes.
Yeah, and we put some ice cubes. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my dad.
Hey, I think we're pretty much done, huh?
Yeah, but remember, you have to smush the raspberries and turn it pink.
Okay.
Remember?
We'll do that.
Yeah, we used to do it to turn it pink, like pink lemonade. Watch it as the Raspberrynade turns pink. Watch. And I'm going to tell you a cool fact. You might not know how much is 3 milliseconds, but it's actually less than a blink of a human's eye. And as you can see, Kylie the Hedgehog back. She wants to say hi. Hi, everybody! Welcome back to Kylie the Hedgehog's video channel. You're so silly, Kylie the Hedgehog. I just said that at the beginning.
Should we put in these glasses?
Oh yeah, it turned pink. Yeah. My glasses. Put some raspberry and mint in there.
Just a minute.
Some mint. Real mint. Add a little mint in there.
Did you pause?
No, I didn't. I also ate some mint. And it's so good. Okay, so we have our Raspberrynade. And try some. It's delicious. See you on the next video. I hope you make some Raspberrynade too. Bye!